Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Knuppe Ranch. So the last day and a half, almost 2 days, we had a pretty good blizzard that come in over Christmas, like Christmas night, and then all day Tuesday, the day after Christmas, and all night Tuesday night. The wind is blowing 50 to 60 miles an hour, and we got a bunch of snow. So we had pretty good blizzard conditions. So today we're pushing a bunch of snow. I got to dig myself out at my house. You have to bring the Bobcat in and dig me out. And I think we'll go dig Grandpa out. He's snowed in. And then Dad's pushing snow here at home. And then I think we're going to try sometime today. We're going to go out and see if we can't get to the cows and see how they're doing, and haul them a couple bales in the back of some pickups, I think. So we'll go check on them and see how everything's doing out there. They should be just fine. They've been through worse, the cows have, and they've got the creek and trees and stuff to hunker down in, so they should be doing all right. So yeah, we'll see how much snow we got here at home and how much Dad's got piled up. So Dad's down in the Bobcat, and he's just he's gonna go down to the creek like where the cows are, and right now he's just kind of plowing a good little track that he can follow with the Bobcat. So he's down there in the Bobcat clearing a road for himself, and he's gonna come back up and put the forks on and take a bale down for the cows and check on them. So I'm gonna help Cole kind of clean up the yard here a little bit while Dad's working on that. All right, well, we just got the patio in front of the house all cleaned up, all the snow out of that. So now Dad just grabbed a bale, and we're gonna head down the creek and see what the cows look like. Cole and I are gonna follow him down in my pickup and check out the cows. So Dad's running back to grab another bale for him because there's a lot on this north side of the creek. I don't think we can get across the creek, not here anyway, because there's a beaver dam and it's caused the water level to be pretty high at this crossing, and we'd have to go like another half mile down the creek, maybe even more than that, to get to the next crossing that we could get across. But that's all right, because a lot of the cows are on this side of the creek that we're on, so we don't really have to cross. And I can see more coming across the creek right now, so I think they're pretty happy to see us. We're pretty happy to see them. It's like a big old family reunion. So yeah, everything looks all right. That's right here anyway. I guess they're just hungry. They like seeing that fresh hay instead of having to dig through the snow to find some grass to eat. So, and the cows will. They're pretty resilient animals. They'll eat snow, and they'll dig their way through the snow to find grass to eat and stuff like that. So it's not like they're totally dependent on us. They've got their own ways of survival. So, but they're looking pretty good. So Cole was getting a sick drone shot, and he just went straight up and ran right into the power line. So I think the drone's okay, but I'm gonna keep that part in. We're gonna put a new battery in it, see. But we're pretty sure it's just fine. So yeah, hopefully my warranty covers that if it's not. Well, the cows are fed and look good. Brought 2 bales down to them, and most of them are across the creek and eating, and the rest look like they was coming to cross the creek and eat with the other ones. So that's good. They look pretty content. They'll probably be all right for a couple days now, just because once the snow starts melting, then and the snow levels kind of go down a little bit, then they'll be just fine. They'll have plenty of grass to eat. So all the cows look good. Replaced couple wings on the drone looks good, and so yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do now, but we're gonna probably find something to do. All right, so it's after lunch now. Cole and I come over to my house. I got a new garage door opener because the one that I have is shot, so we're gonna take this old one down because right now I've just got a screwdriver through the track holding it so the door can come up a little bit, and so it came up, the wind blew it up to where that screwdriver is holding it, so it had like an inch gap. So I had a little snow bank in here, and I don't really want to have a snow bank in my garage every time it snows. So we're gonna get this new garage door opener on to take care of that problem. right, so we got cleaned up from the blizzard. Not 100%, but got a lot of things cleaned up, a lot of snow moved, and got our cows checked on, and got some other animals taken care of and stuff like that. So, but yeah, I think with that, that's just about gonna do it for this video. So thanks for watching, guys. We really appreciate it. We hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. And as always, we'll catch you in the next one.